How's it going, guys? This is Skeleton Key here, and today I'm going to try to pick Amateur by K1 Locks. K1, thank you again for sending me this package. There's his info. In case you're interested, please go check out his channel. Does a lot for this community. I've already tried this lock, I think once, probably for like 15 minutes, and couldn't get it open. So we're gonna see if we have better luck this time around, doing top of the keyway tension, and start with the Pearson short hook. Now remember, my main issue with this was that I couldn't get much feedback, so let's see what we can do here. Two, nothing. Click off 3. Click off 4. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. Click off 4. Click off 5. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, nothing, I think. And 5, nothing. Just making sure I'm getting all the way in the back here. 1, nothing. I'm also using pretty heavy tension here, so I feel the click off 3 would cover a set something though. Let's try back to front. Just try to feel the pins here. Everything feels pretty loose, except this one pin in the back. Felt a click when I cut in the spring. So now I'm just going back and forth again, trying to get some feedback. 3. Also kind of challenging not to get caught up in this warding. Gotta click in the back, but it could be the spring. I'm gonna try to switch the SS dev. Maybe I need a hook to kind of get up here. 2, nothing. 3, I don't think there's anything there. Click off 4, but I really think I'm just getting caught on some wording here. This is about the point where I've been getting stuck with this lock. Let's try to loosen up the tension maybe. Now we're just going back to front, trying to feel out anything. Not sure if there's a serrated pin. That's what's holding us up. It's tricky. 1. Yeah, I caught the wording there. 2. Definitely a click on 2, but it could have been spring. 3. Oh, gotta click on 3. After a little bit of counter. But who knows? Could just be me in the wording. 5. Oh, gotta click off a 1. That was definitely a set. 3. Let's try going back to front. It's usually how I work. 5, 4. Oh! It opened. Cool. Alright. What was that? 6 minutes? Alright. That's not terrible. So yeah, I have a feeling there's some security pins in there. Might have been on 3. I thought I heard some clicks on that. It has been a while since I gutted the lock. I might have to pause if I'm going to try this out. Hey guys, so I actually decided to refilm this quick little part here. I'll probably keep the whole gutting fast forwarded on the video just to show you that I didn't cheat and I actually got this open with the correct pins in it. But I feel like with the flashlight, you really get a better look at some of the pin work here. And some of it's pretty intricate, so I think that's pretty important. So first of all, I wanted to say that K1, I think you're kind of trolling us because this log is called Amateur, and I felt kind of dumb for not being able to get it first, but looking at some of this stuff here, I don't feel so dumb anymore. So, first pin we have here is some sort of serrated spool looking thing. And then I won't even go through the top pins because they're all serrated. They're kind of different variations of serrations, but pretty much all the same. We have this thing here. I don't even know what to call this. Some sort of, maybe a mushroom pin. Except it's a key pin. If anyone has a better name for it, please let me know. Kind of same thing going on here. I don't even know what to call this. You can see this little part here. This goes around this little thing. This is so hard to do through the camera. But anyway, you guys get the idea. This thing, this little hoop goes around this thing and kind of, I guess, like wiggles inside the key way, or rather the chamber, I guess. I got another serrated spool kind of thing, and then just a purely serrated pin. I think there's at least like 1, 2, 3, like 6 serrations in that. And then the keyways, or the pin chambers, I guess, there's countermilling on 1, 3, and 6. And I can't tell, but it may even be on the other ones too. Or maybe they're undercut. There's something going on there. Let me see if you guys can get a better look. Yeah. And then just the fact this thing is 6 pins, I was not expecting it either. So K1, truly some amazing stuff here. And again, thank you for sending me these locks. Definitely some good practice. So thank you guys for watching the video as well. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment. All that stuff is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.